Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Name of the subject Mathematics Part 1, Standard 10th, Topic Probability Part 2. Name of the teacher Mrs. Nehal Sarvaiya. In this video, we will learn what is event, types of events and practice set 5.3. Let's see what is event. The outcomes satisfying particular condition are called favorable outcomes. A set of favorable outcomes of a given sample space is an event. Event is a subset of the sample space. Types of events: certain event or sure event, impossible event, simple or elementary event, complement of an event, mutually exclusive event, and exhaustive event. Practice set 5.3. Question 1. Write sample space S and number of sample point n of S for each of the following experiment. Also write events A, B, C in the set form and write n of A, n of B and n of C. Question 1. One die is rolled. Event A, even number on the upper face. Event B, odd number on the upper face. Event C, prime number on the upper face. Solution: when one die is rolled, S is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, n of S is equal to 6. Event A, even number on the upper face. Therefore, A is equals to 2, 4, 6. Therefore, n of A is equals to 3. Event B, odd number on the upper face. B is equals to 1, 3, 5. Therefore, n of B is equals to 3. Event C, prime number on the upper face. Therefore, C is equals to 2, 3, 5. Therefore, n of C is equals to 3. Question 2. Two dice are rolled simultaneously. Event A, the sum of the digits on the upper face is a multiple of 6. Event B, the sum of the digits on the upper face is minimum 10. Event C, the same digit on the both upper face. Solution: when two dice are rolled simultaneously, S is equals to 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. Therefore, n of S is equals to 36. Event A is equals to the sum of the digits on upper face is a multiple of 6. Therefore, A is equals to 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2, 6, 1, 6, 6. Therefore, n of A is equals to 6. Event B, the sum of the digits on the upper face is minimum 10. Therefore, B is equals to 4, 6, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. Therefore, n of B is equal to 6. Event C, the same digit on the both upper face. Therefore, C is equals to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Therefore, n of C is equals to 6. Question 3. Three coins are tossed simultaneously. Event A, to get at least 2 head. Event B, to get no head. Event C, to get head on the second coin. Solution: when three coins are tossed simultaneously, S is equals to HHH, HHT, HTH, THH, HTT, THT, TTH, TTT. Therefore, n of S is equals to 8. Event A, to get at least 2 head. Therefore, A is equals to HHH, HHT, HTH, THH. Therefore, n of A is equals to 4. Event B, to get no head. Therefore, B is equals to TTT. Therefore, n of B is equals to 1. Event C, to get head on the second coin. Therefore, C is equals to HHH, HHT, THH and THT. Therefore, n of C is equals to 4. Question 4. Two-digit numbers are formed using digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 without repetition of the digit. Event A, the number formed is even. Event B, the number formed is divisible by 3. Event C, the number formed is greater than 50. Solution: S is equals to 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 30, 31, 32, 34, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Therefore, n of S is equal to 25. Event A, the number formed is even. So A is equals to 10, 12, 14, 20, 24, 30, 32, 34, 40, 42, 50, 52, 54. Therefore, n of A is equal to 13. Event B, the number formed is divisible by 3. Therefore, B is equals to 12, 15, 21, 24, 30, 42, 45, 51, 54. Therefore, n of B is equal to 9. Event C, the number formed is greater than 50. Therefore, C is equals to 51, 52, 53, 54. Therefore, n of C is equals to 4. Question 5. From 3 men and 2 women, environment committee of 2 persons is formed. Event A, there must be at least 1 woman. Event B, 1 man, 1 woman committee. Event C, there should not be woman member. Solution: S is equal to M1, M2, M1, M3, M1, W1, M1, W2, M2, M3, M2, W1, M2, W2, M3, W1, M3, W2, W1, W2. Therefore, n of S is equal to 10. Event A, there must be at least 1 woman. So, A is equals to M1, W1, M1, W2, M2, W1, M1, W2, M3, W1, M3, W2, W1, W2. Therefore, n of A is equal to 7. Event B, 1 man, 1 woman committee. Therefore, B is equals to M1, W1, M1, W2, M2, W1, M2, W2, M3, W1, M3, W2. Therefore, n of B is equal to 6. Event C, there should not be woman member. Therefore, C is equals to M1, M2, M1, M3, M2, M3. Therefore, n of C is equals to 3. Question 6. 1 coin and 1 die is thrown simultaneously. Event A, to get head and an odd number. Event B, to get head or tail and an even number. Event C, number on the upper face is greater than 7 and tail on the coin. Solution: S is equal to H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. Therefore, n of S is equal to 12. Event A, to get head and an odd number. Therefore, A is equals to H1, H3, H5. Therefore, n of A is equal to 3. Event B, to get head or tail and an even number. Therefore, B is equals to H2, H4, H6, T2, T4, T6. Therefore, n of B is equal to 6. Event C, number on the upper face is greater than 7 and tail on the coin. Therefore, C is equals to empty. Therefore, n of C is equal to 0. Thank you.